Today we're at Silverstone. It's my first ever test in a racing car, and I'm trying out a Porsche 992 GT3, so it's going to be an amazing experience.
Able to carry more speed. Yeah. No, but generally all really good. You just in the next one, don't break any later anywhere. Just try and have the lead off. All right.
I'm sideways a bit. Yeah, I expected it to be completely different to the rally car. Obviously the Porsche is rear-wheel drive. I've never driven a rear-wheel drive racing car. I've never driven with paddles. The rally car's got a sequential gearbox. The only thing similar is it's wet.
I did a few laps first thing this morning to kind of set a time for the drivers that are coming along today, to give them something to aim at. And I also gave Chris some sort of sighting laps as well, so to show him the lines and show him really the best way around the track. I think given where he's come from in rallying, it's something so different to this. I thought he adapted very well.
Yeah, it's been a great day. So thanks to Car Finance 24/7 and Absolute Agency and Redline Racing for the chance to drive the Porsche. I think I'll stick with rallying. That's where my talent is, but I definitely could see myself doing a couple of circuit races in the future as well.